Hi, I'm Christopher Richardson, and today I want to show you how to use More Prepared's standard classroom lockdown kit. When your school goes into lockdown, students are typically locked into their classroom for an extended period of time where they cannot leave until the threat has been lifted. Now, this creates a problem if someone needs to use the restroom. Well, this lockdown kit solves this issue. The lockdown kit should be placed in a visible area in the classroom so that everyone knows where it is at all times. When you need it, simply open the kit, remove all the contents, and decide where you will place the toilet, preferably in an empty corner of the room. Using the duct tape, attach the edges of the tub to the walls on the adjoining sides so that it creates a curtain like this. This will provide privacy for anyone who uses the toilet. Next, take the red pail and line it using one of the toilet bags provided. Be sure that the top edges hang over the rim before attaching the toilet seat. Push down the toilet seat until it fits snug. You can now place this behind the curtain along with the toilet paper and the moist towelettes. After use, you may want to sprinkle some of the deodorizing powder into the bag to help neutralize odors, but this is an optional step. Using the vinyl gloves provided, you can remove the toilet seat by pulling firmly up on the hinge section. Then remove the used bag, securing the top with the provided tie. Be sure to dispose of the waste bag properly. You can replenish any supplies you need at www.moreprepared.com. The More Prepared Standard Classroom Lockdown Kit offers teachers and students peace of mind, knowing that should a lockdown occur, they will be not only prepared, but more prepared.